Hello everyone, very good morning and a warm welcome to Doctors Academy for Taxation and Accounting. Today we have a happy news for you, that is the NDA, National Defence Academy and Naval Academy exam notification for 2021 released. The UPSC notification released for about 400 vacancies. The Union Public Service Commission has released the detailed notification for National Defence Academy and Naval Academy examination 2021 in its official website. Candidates willing for admission in Army, Navy and Air Force wings of NDA for 147th course and for 109th Indian Naval Academy course commencing for 2nd January 2022 can apply for UPSC NDA 2021 recruitment notification. The important dates are UPSC notification date 30th December 2020, starting date for UPSC NDA 1 2021 application form, that is also 30th December 2020. Last date for online application is 19th January 2021 and the exam date is 18th April 2021 and the result date yet to be announced. Answer key date also yet to announce. The interview date also yet to be announced. The date for 147th course for the NDA and 109th course for the Naval Academy, that is starting on 2nd January 2022. Vacancy details are, there are 400 vacancies, of which National Defence Academy it is 370, 208 for Army, 42 for Navy and 120 for Air Force, including 28 for ground duties, and the Naval Academy vacancies are 30. Stipend for cadet training for Army officers and equivalent rank for Air Force and Navy about rupees 56,100 per month. Starting pay in level 10 would be provided as stipend, and pay for lieutenant to major level 10 56,100 to 1,77,500. Captain, that is level 10B 61,300 to 1,93,900, and major it is 11 69,400 to 2,07,200, and for lieutenant colonel level, that is level 12A 1,21,200 to 2,12,400, colonel level 13 1,30,600 to 2,15,900, brigadier level 13A 1,39,600 to 2,17,600, and major general level 14 1,44,200 to 2,18,200. Looking at the eligibility criteria, educational qualifications for Army wing of National Defence Academy, a 12th pass of the 10+2 pattern of school education or equivalent examination conducted by the State Education Board or a university. For Air Force and Naval Wing of National Defence Academy, 12th class pass of the 10+2 pattern of school education or equivalent with physics and mathematics conducted by a State Education Board or a university. Candidates who are appearing in the 12th class under the 10+2 pattern of school education or equivalent examination can also apply for this exam. Eligibility criteria, age limit, minimum age is 15.7 years and the maximum age is 18.7 years. Physical standard, candidate must be physically fit according to physical standards for admission to National Defence Academy and Naval Academy Examination 1 2021. Nationality, a candidate must be unmarried male and must be a citizen of India or a subject of Bhutan or a subject of Nepal or a Tibetan refugee who came over to India before 1st January 1962 with the intention of permanently settling in India, or a person of Indian origin who has migrated from Pakistan, Burma, Sri Lanka and East African countries of Kenya, Uganda, the United Republics of Tanzania, Zambia, Malawi, Zaire and Ethiopia or Vietnam with the intention of permanently settling in India, provided that a candidate belonging to above categories and shall be a person in whose favor a certificate of eligibility has been issued by the Government of India. Certificate of eligibility will not, however, be necessary in the case of candidates who are Gorkha subjects of Nepal. Selection procedure. The selection will be done on the basis of the performance in written test, that is for 900 mark, and SSB interview, that is personality test, 900 mark. And the subjects and the question shift, the subjects and question pattern also given. Mathematics postcode 01, number of questions 120, mark would be 300 maximum. General ability test, that is for 150 questions and the maximum mark will be 600, and both the exam will be for 2 hours 30 minutes. There will be negative marking for wrong answers. Admit card will be uploaded 3 weeks before the commencement of the examination on the UPSC website. No admit card will be sent by post. And the exam centers. There are 41 examination centers. Agartala, Ahmedabad, Aizawl, Prayagraj, that is Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bareilly, Bhopal, Chandigarh, Chennai, Cuttack, Dehradun, Delhi, Dharwad, Dispur, Gangtok, Hyderabad, Imphal, Itanagar, Jaipur, Jammu, Jharkhand, Kochi, Kohima, Kolkata, Lucknow, Madurai, Mumbai, Nagpur, Panaji, Patna, Port Blair, Raipur, Ranchi, Sambalpur, Shillong, Shimla, Srinagar, Thiruvananthapuram, Tirupati, Udaipur and Visakhapatnam. The NDA results 2021 will be announced on the official website of UPSC. All the candidates who have successfully qualified in the written examination are required to register themselves online on Directorate General of Recruiting website, that is www.joinindianarmy.nic.in, with the same email ID as provided to UPSC while filling the UPSC online application form. SSB interview is likely to be held during the months of July 2021 to September 2021 or as suitable to Recruiting Directorate. Intelligence and Personality Test 2021. Shortlisted candidates in the written exam will be called for Intelligence and Personality Test conducted by Service Selection Board in 2 stages. Stage 1, which comprises of officer intelligence rating test or picture perception description test. The candidates will be shortlisted based on the combination of performance in OIR test and the PPDT. The stage 2 comprises of interview, group testing, officer task, psychology test and the conference. These tests are conducted over 4 days. The details of these tests are given in the website joinindianarmy.nic.in. The personality of a candidate is assessed by 3 different assessors: the interviewing officer, group testing officer and the psychologist. There are no separate weightage for each test. The marks are allotted by assessors only after taking into consideration the performance of the candidate holistically in all the tests. In addition, marks for conference are also allotted based on the initial performance of the candidate in the 3 techniques and decision of the board. All these have equal weightage. the various tests of the interviewing officer and the group testing officer and psychologist are designed to bring out the presence as well as absence of officer-like qualities and their trainability in a candidate. Accordingly, candidates are recommended or not recommended at the SSB. How to apply for UPSC NDA recruitment 2021. Interested candidates can apply for UPSC NDA 2021 exam through the online mode from 30th December to 11 January 2021. Candidates will be required to complete the online application form containing 2 stages such as part 1 and part 2. Application fee is ₹100 but no fee for SC/ST candidates. For more details including the syllabus, please log into the web link given here. Hope this video is going to be useful for you. Thank you very much.